Most people get this wrong. They think retirement planning is just about saving money, but EverPlan shows that it's also about organizing your financial and personal affairs efficiently. I explored the platform to see how it works, and here's what I learned. EverPlans is a digital tool that helps you organize retirement, estate, and end-of-life planning in one secure place. You can store important documents like wills, insurance policies, healthcare directives, and financial accounts. The idea is to make it easy for you and your family to access essential information when it's needed most. One of the biggest advantages is clarity. The platform breaks down complex planning into actionable steps, making it easier to stay on top of retirement goals and ensure your documents are up to date. The surprising truth is that many people overlook organizing their estate and healthcare paperwork, which can create major headaches for loved ones later. EverPlans also offers collaboration features. You can share access with trusted family members or advisors, ensuring everyone is on the same page. Security is a priority, with encryption and two-factor authentication to protect sensitive information. The downside is cost. EverPlans has subscription fees, and some users might find it higher than basic document storage apps. However, considering the peace of mind it provides, it can be worth it for those serious about comprehensive planning. In conclusion, EverPlans is a powerful tool to organize retirement, estate, and healthcare planning in one place. It's especially valuable for people who want to simplify a complex process and ensure their loved ones are prepared. Subscribe for more honest reviews on financial planning tools to secure your future confidently.